Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, Steve over at Steve's Electric. My name is Josh Nelson, Midwest Valley Marketing here in Wisconsin. Just wanted to get this video sent over to you as I promised you, kind of showing how you guys can adjust some of the things that you guys are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to your guys' website and getting those people into actual paying customers. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into it here. First things first, we've got your website, right? Not a bad looking website. It's got good bones to it. One thing I see is you guys don't have a lot of content all across it, right? You've got a good contact form, but you don't have enough wording, right? The average homepage in Google's eyes should have anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 words on it. Google loves content. They want it everywhere if possible. They want it on your homepage. They want it on your about page. They want it on all of your service pages. All your service pages should have about 750 words as well, right? And so we want to have content all across our website, something that people can read, kind of explaining who you are. But not just any kinds of content, not just gibberish. We also want keyword-rich content. And one way we can find keywords that we really want to have into our website is through something like this. A tool that I like to use is called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. There's free versions out there, keyword research tools. They're everywhere, right? But for right now, we're just going to use this because this is my bread and butter. This is what I like to use. So as of right now, I can see what keywords you guys currently have in your site, right? Electrician, Iowa City. That's a good one to have. 450 search volume. You guys are in 18th position for this one. Excuse me. This is probably one we want to try to rank up a little bit more. A couple other ones. Electricians, Oxford. Not a bad one, right? People are probably searching that. Steve's Home Improvement. That's probably not a bad one either. I can see that this is connected back to an image, right? These ones are connected to links. I can kind of figure out where these are all located, right? And one way we can do that and figure out what good keywords we want is we can figure out your top competition in the area. And as of right now, online, that's Mr. Electric, right? So we're going to figure out what these guys are doing and what's working right for them. And we're going to figure out what can we take from them and how can we put it into our website in order to start growing to the top of the ranks in Google. So back on keywords here, lamp repair near me is a great one. There's 18,000 search volume. Just by having this keyword in your website means you will get 18,000 more eyes on your website every single month once you start ranking it, right? So it's huge. We want to target good keywords. 240 volt outlet. That's an additional almost 7,000 views on your website every month. Electrical repairs near me. You get the point. I don't have to go over this. This is just black and white stuff to have on your website, right? So we want to have all kinds of keywords all over our content in our website, right? And also, one thing we're going to do is we're going to go back here. We're going to go over SEO or backlinks and stuff like that, right? So we're going to punch you guys back in here in Ahrefs, and we're going to go back to our overview. We can figure out how many backlinks referring domains you guys have, right? How much traffic you're roughly generating off your website right now and where you could potentially be if you start implementing some of these strategies into your website, right? So as of right now, you guys have 36 backlinks. I can go into backlinks and kind of explain a little bit of what backlinks are. We've got no follow backlinks, which are backlinks that don't draw power to your site, so we don't really want a lot of those. We want a lot of do follow backlinks. Do follow backlinks do draw power to your site and everywhere else online. We've got link juice, we've got citations, we've got guest posts, right? And so I'm going to show you a few of them right here, right now. So we have, I can grab link type. I want to go to our do follow, right? These are the ones that are drawing power back to your site. Let's see. IB directory right here. I begin. This is a citation. A citation is anywhere where your business name, phone number, email, contact, address is connected anywhere on the web, right? We've got you, right? Citations. We want to have hundreds of citations out and about, if possible. Kinds of guest posts and backlinks as well, right? I'm not going to dive too deep into it because I don't want to waste a whole bunch of your time, but I just wanted to give you an idea, right? So back to this. We're going to see what the numbers you have and what the numbers they have and what the importance is of going to get all of these backlinks and keywords and vice versa, right? So we see right now roughly 38 organic traffic to your guys' website. We're going to copy and paste. If I did this right, I'm going to copy and paste. Oh, I just wanted to wait 4 minutes for me, that's all. There we go. do that. So that you guys were getting 38 traffic to their site just by going out to get backlinks, searching good keywords, adding good referring domains. This is what is possible to get for traffic on your guys' website at some point down the road, as long as you start implementing all of this. 68,000, almost 69,000 organic traffic to these guys' website every single month. This isn't 100% accurate. These guys are all global, but roughly these guys know what they're doing. So roughly they're getting that much traffic to their website every single month. The numbers are possible. The customer reach is totally possible. You just got to start implementing some of this stuff. So with that being said, Steve over at Steve's Electric Incorporated. Again, my name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I really, really hope this helps you guys learn a little something about how to do digital marketing online and can start helping you guys get customers every single month. With that being said, Steve, thank you.